सो गाइस, मैं फिर से आ गया आपके लिए एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो लेके। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि कॉफ़ी के कौन-कौन से प्रकार होते हैं। हम डिटेल में जानेंगे कॉफ़ी के बारे में। बेसिकली देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ कॉफ़ीज़, रोबस्टा, अरेबिका एंड लिबेरिका। तो हम जानेंगे कि उसको कैसे उगाते हैं, उसका प्लांट कितना बड़ा होता है, कौन से कलर का होता है, कौन से मौसम में होता है और प्लांट की कितनी लाइफ होती है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। वेरी डिटेल में हम जानेंगे मिस्टर सलीम से, जो कि हमारे गाइड थे मरकरा गोल्ड कॉफ़ी स्टेट में। सो गाइस, लेट्स जंप इनटू द वीडियो।
Republic of Congo and Uganda, and Liberica is from Liberia. That's the best of it. Sir, this is all African. In India, we are growing these three. Okay, one more is there, what we call as Excelsa, that's grown in Southeast Asia. But that coffee is also originated from an African country, a Republic of Chad country. So worldwide, this is the 4 species we are cultivating. Apart from this one, sir, other species of coffee is also there. More than 100 species. But those are wild plants and till today no one has cultivated them. So we are getting that report that those plants are poisonous, but we do not have a definite idea of that plants. Okay. So about this plant, first I'll be telling you the harvesting. So once you plant this one, within 3-4 years, mein harvesting. So harvesting season starts from Arabica. First Arabica will be harvested. It will be in the month of November, November to January. Robusta December to February. Liberica March to May. So when the berries get ripen, it will turn to crimson red color. So at that stage we pluck it. But if you see the inside bean color is entirely different. If you see Arabica, Arabica is green color, Robusta brownish, Liberica yellowish color. Size wise bigger Arabica beans. Second is Robusta, smallest size of beans will be of Liberica. Okay? About the caffeine point of view, high caffeine is in Robusta and Liberica. High caffeine means it will be having a bitter flavor. It's a strong coffee. What about Arabica? Arabica is a mild coffee. It will be like flavor and less. So next is about the height of the plant. Around 6 to 7 feet, we maintain the height of the plant. So if you allow it to grow more than 15 feet, but we never allow. What's the reason? We do that pruning. Why we prune the branch? So the more the branches, the less we do the berries. So we cut that unwanted branches. Unwanted, or you can call this unproductive branches. That process we call as coffee. इससे क्या होता है? Berries will get it, and it gets pollination. We have honey bee pollination. By that the yield will get. And if you see in India, highest amount of coffee is grown in Karnataka state. 71% here, 21% in Kerala, 5% in Tamil Nadu. These 3 southern Indian states produces around 97% of India's coffee. Rest of the 3% it's in Andhra, Orissa, northeastern states. So just 3% there, but highest Karnataka it's not entire state. Only 3 districts produces coffee in Karnataka. Chikmagalur, Coorg and Hassan district. So what type of climate required? It requires tropical climate. Temperature around 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. And requires altitude also. Altitude point of view, this place is around 3,700 feet from the sea level. Sir, if you see according to meter, it is 1200 meters. And altitude is required, and slopy mountains. Why slopy mountains? The water should flow and go. So water logging should not happen. In case water logging happens, excess moisture happens in this one. Because of that, the berries will get rotted. And unseasonal rain should not come to coffee, because last year we had that unseasonal. It was a cyclone in Chennai, sir. It affected Coorg also. Because of the heavy rain at the time, sir, excess moisture happened. The berries started dropping. Not only that, even the coffee flower also blooms. Coffee flower should not bloom at that time. It should bloom in the month of February, March, but it bloomed in the month. So at the time it was a harvesting time. So the flowers fell down, and the future yield will be affected. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಾನೀಗ ಗೋಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ.
देखो जा रहा है। हाँ आने दो, कोई स्पीड नहीं। चलो उधर चलो, उधर नहीं, इधर आओ आओ अभी आओ।
Arabica 40 to 50 years, Liberica around 81 years. After that, the trunks and branches of Robusta plant will be used for decorative furniture. Okay, that's it. Okay. After that, I told you about civet cats. You already used this.
So their lifespan is better than the human.
आशा करता हूँ आपको आज का वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगा होगा और आपको बहुत सारी कौन सी कॉफ़ी पी रहे हैं, वो कितनी कड़वी है, कितनी मीठी है, उसका टेस्ट कैसा है, उसमें कितनी कैफीन है, और वो कहाँ से आ रही है। बेसिकली आपको ये जानने को सब कुछ मिला होगा। तो गाइस, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करिए, लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड मेरे साथ बने रहिए। जय हिंद।